Two HR giants, trusted by businesses everywhere. But which platform actually delivers when it counts? On the left, TriNet, with comprehensive HR, payroll, and benefits for US-based SMBs. And on the right, Remote, built for hiring and paying teams across 180-plus countries. Let's ditch the company hype and look at what really matters. We'll break it down by category, tally up the points, and reveal the real winner. By the end, you might be surprised who comes out ahead in 2025.
So here's the mind map, just so you know where we're going. We've got pricing, global capabilities, user experience and apps, features and integrations, support and reputation, and yeah, a little bit about who these platforms are actually built for. Ready? Let's go. Okay, first up, pricing.
TriNet, honestly, it's a little old school here. You want a quote? You're jumping through hoops and probably talking to sales. There's no upfront pricing out in the open, and just between us, minimum costs are kinda high. You could be shelling out over $100 per person just for the classic US PEO service. Remote though, total breath of fresh air. You get clear, published prices right on the website. $50 per month for contractors, $5.99 for EOR, and zero secret fees or weird deposits. Sure, at scale, Remote might add up, but man, that transparency is gold. The winner here? Remote, every time. Let's jump to global capabilities. TriNet nails it for US companies. Super dialed in with all the compliance stuff stateside. But if you're eyeing international hires or want slick global payroll, you're basically stuck with basic features or they'll punt you off to a partner. Remote, though, is built for the global game. You can hire and pay in over 180 countries. Contractor management is just part of the package, and EOR features are actually solid. If you're thinking worldwide, Remote runs circles around TriNet. Winner? Remote grabs it. Now, about the actual experience, apps, design, all that. TriNet's iOS app is, honestly, surprisingly good. Like, 28,000 plus reviews and nearly a perfect score. But flip over to Android, and suddenly people aren't loving it. Think 2.7 stars. Remote is newer in this space, but gets it right. You've got a slick, modern interface, high ratings on both iOS and Android. The only thing, they don't have quite as many reviews, so maybe a smaller user base. But overall, using Remote just feels less outdated. Remote takes this one.
Hold up, real quick fact drop. Did you know Remote's EOR onboarding can take only 2 or 3 days in most countries? Meanwhile, TriNet customers, they're often left hanging way longer. So if you like speed, there's that. All right, features and integrations. TriNet covers the basics. HR, payroll, compliance. Tailored for SMBs in the US, which is awesome. But there's no live support, no real API magic, and some stuff kinda lags behind what you see elsewhere. Remote comes in swinging with live customer support, actual API access, deep integrations, and some nice-to-haves like wage garnishment or expense reimbursement. But hey, they're missing a couple features too, like e-signature for US tax docs and background checks. Still, Remote feels like it's for the modern business. Clearly, Remote wins here.
Support and reputation. Ooh, TriNet, you're not looking so hot. They've been around ages, but their Trustpilot is... ouch. Really low scores and not much love for support. No live help reported. Remote is the total opposite. Crazy good reviews, lots of them, and you get live chat, phone, help desk, the works. So yeah, Remote wins by a mile.
Now let's get real about target market. TriNet is absolutely made for US-based small and mid-sized businesses. That's where they shine. You want a classic PEO, tight industry-specific HR? They're your jam. Remote is all about global startups, scale-ups, anyone building a remote-friendly empire. If you're a little local shop in Ohio, Remote is probably overkill. So on this one, props to TriNet. They're the champ for US SMBs. All right, here's how they stack up side by side. You've got Remote pulling ahead in pricing, going global, killer support, cutting-edge features, and TriNet owning it for US-focused folks who want specialized HR. You see the pattern? Remote's got more category wins lined up. So what's my honest take? If you're an SMB in the US and you want that classic full-service HR experience, TriNet might be your comfort zone. But if you want something transparent, modern, and ready for global growth, let's not kid ourselves. Remote is the smart pick. Did this clear things up for you? Hit bookmark so you don't miss when we go head-to-head with the next HR showdown. You know you want to stay ahead.